Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick review of this Masterbuilt smoker that I've had for 3 years. So stick around. So yeah, at this point I've had this smoker for 3 years, and as I open up the store you can see that it's been used very well. It's seasoned inside and it still works. It's great. I have no issues with this smoker. I love it. And make sure you take a look at the description below. I will leave a link to where you can get this awesome smoker on Amazon. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description below of when I first did an unboxing of this, so you can watch the whole thing, what you're going to get, how you put it together, and all that stuff. Now remember, this is a very basic smoker. You're just going to get a smoker. You're not going to get Bluetooth. You're not going to get a bunch of thermometers. You're going to get your temperature on the outside, right in the front of your smoker. However, it's not a really high-end smoker, but if you're beginning at smoking, you don't need that. You don't need any of that. Something basic that you're going to use every now and then, and this thing will last. I've literally left this thing outside for the last 3 years, slightly underneath a patio, but no issues. Only thing I bring in is the electrical cord, and this puppy still continues to smoke. So in other words, if you are a beginning smoker or a seasoned smoker, do take a look at this. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's a quality smoker that, like I said, I've had for 3 years, and I would definitely buy again. Taste test this, of course, 3 years after the fact. Still so wonderful. What do you think, Maggie? We gotta make sure Maggie approves. Okay, so if Maggie really approves of that one, I think she'll do something for us, all right? Let's see. Shake. Shake. Good girl. I think Maggie approves. You approve, Maggie? That's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys liking, and Maggie wants more. So obviously, Maggie, is that smoker good? She approves. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Maggie, you're not getting all of it.